Let's go. Are you going to solve it? You don't have time, man. Nice. It almost feels like I solved it. What is up, guys? Rubiks here. Welcome back in another reacting video. Today I tried something different and it was a live stream. I reacting to your videos in a live stream. And if you ask why I did it in live stream, because I want to spend more time with you guys. I want to answer all your comments, all your questions that you want to ask me. And it was very nice because we had a great time. It is very important for me to let me know in the comments down below if you like this editing style. Do you like uploading videos like live streams and with a little bit edit? Please let me know. It is huge support if you just let me know. And if I can ask you for 2 more things, please let me know in the comments down below which tutorials do you want to see next. And the second is go buy the Drum of Power merchandise. It is a huge support in this quarantine. In the end of this video you will find the hashtag to upload your videos for this week. So go upload them. I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy to see you. I'll try to do these live streams every, I don't know which day, Friday maybe? Do you like it, Friday? This one will be the first one, as I already said. Nice! The race actually was good. Really good. Alright. Whoa. And you're doing these stuff standing. This is crazy. Look at this. It's so nice. I've been training the rise so much lately, and it's getting better. This one, what is it? Webster. Why is the camera quality so bad? It's actually nice. Is that the coronavirus? Oh! I will get demonetized. I will shut up right now. Okay. Look at that grass field. Whoa, you tried to save it. And you almost did. Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice. I count it. Good job, man. This is crazy. Good for your knees. If you train your knees good enough, you will be able to do this. Oh, nice. Whoa, I thought you were going for double side or double front. Let's video tag. Oh yeah, thank you. Round of double backflip check. Where? Oh, me right now? No. Nah, not today. I can backflip on trampoline. Oh, nice, man. You should learn double. It feels good. Okay. Triple. Nice. Oh, this is your first time probably doing triple kaboom. It looks pretty smooth. Good job, man. Okay, we are going here. Oh, imagine doing double backflip off from this platform. Like doing round off backflip, double backflip. This will be crazy, man. Yeah, it is high enough for double back. I mean, it was close to the table, to the platform, but it was good. Good job. Okay. Nice. This is good. I've seen that one before. No, I haven't. Double front. Try to block, man. Try to block more. Okay. Nice. 1.5 front twist. Alright. And oh, it's good you didn't injure yourself landing like this. Nice one, man. The text for the next week will be in the end of this live stream. So make sure you stay until the end, or if you have something to do or you find it boring, just look at the video tomorrow, and it will be in the end probably. It's good. I'm putting it in the end because it's good for the audience retention for YouTube. I'm not doing this to bully you or something like that. This is the only reason I'm doing it in the end. Bron Johnny, let's go, man! Clean. Nice. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Smash the like button. Oh, alright. Nice. I've seen that one before. Yeah, Pasha the boss. Oh, this is creative. Tanner Witt. I don't know how you pronounce this, but crazy guy. All right. Yeah, Stanislav with. Nice. This is crazy, guys. Dominic. Nice. I have to do this outside. I have to do more freerunning stuff. This step is crazy. Oh my god. More parkour freerunning stuff. What are you going to do with this? Oh, this table. I thought it was trampoline. Nice. Crazy. Which country is this? Why you bully me? It's because I don't like you. Just kidding. I know. I bully you because of YouTube. Can you do Arabian? Standing or from round off or from back handspring? Can you actualize the page? Oh yeah, I will do it. Just few more. Let's see this one. Oh, this was clean. Nice. Double front is coming soon. Is he joking? You see this one? Guys, he almost did triple. Like, it was legitly if he went a little bit smaller in the tuck, and if he full send it, he would have done this triple front. Insane. Okay. Which one? And then I will refresh. After this one, I will refresh. Okay. Nice. I see that usually in DP flips, more parkour and freerunners are uploading videos. And this is cool. I mean, I thought maybe more tumblers or trickers will upload it, but more freerunners and parkour guys. This is nice. It's good to see and to learn some good stuff from you guys. It's crazy. And trampoline, of course, but it has to do something with tumbling, you know? It's the rotation and stuff. Oh yeah, refreshing it right now. Okay. Double back. What? What? Wait. Double to double Arabian in the end, half to Cody. This one was crazy. What is this? I don't know if I want to hear this. Hello Martin Drumev. Hello man! What's up? How do you get more power on round off to double back? Because I can get enough power. Usually I don't do it because I can't get enough power neither, but if you want to get more power, more than usual, it is you have to push from your shoulders here. It is very important, and then you can get more power. Of course, the run up, if you run more, you can get more. Or if you want to do it standing, then it's probably the same. Try to... Some people bend their arms, I bend them too in back handspring. It's not correct, but if you can combine this with pushing from your shoulders, then you're getting like... You're multiplying the power. But it's, yeah. Okay, what's that? Oh, it's just flipping video. Wall flip. Gainer. Nice. Oh, I miss jumping on trampoline. Once this fucking quarantine is over, I'm going to a trampoline park. Double. Nice. Oh, you can easily do three. Oh, nice, man. Such a good rotation. I love it. Quad or quint? Did you see it, guys? Was it quad or quint? Let me know in the comments. Crazy. This guy is crazy. Not family friendly. The content is not family friendly. If you have seen the last video, then you know the content is not family friendly anymore. Good thumbnail, you got me, man. Nice. Oh, 3 Websters? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You paused, but it is on send, so I count it. Front flip? Oh, nice! Oh, good job, man. And you landed it also. Crazy. Alright. Oh, I miss this gym. I miss it so much. Whoa! I remember you, man, from the gym. You're getting better and better. Look at you. Some stylish tricking. Whoa! Nice, man. Really like it. Alright. What's best flip combo you have done? It is probably the full in back out. Wait. Do you want me to show you? I've seen it. I see it here. Yeah, this one. Can you see it? Wait. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So, running, back handspring, full in, back out, punch, full in, back out. So, this is it. Easy. Not that difficult, actually. But I'm proud of it. How to do a backflip? Dude, it is very hard to me. But I can't do a front... You can do a front flip. Because it's all mental. Backflip is much easier than front flip. Much easier. Trampoline stuff. This was so strange. Your right hand went this way and you twisted to the left. What? Whoa! How did you manage to twist, man? This was crazy. When we will do triple backflip again? When I'm back in the gym. But it's difficult now from the spring floor. But there is a good pit. Okay. Good stuff. It's Corona time. Nice. At least you have a place to train. I was for 3 weeks inside my apartment in Sofia and I couldn't train. Well, I'm not training neither that much now, but it is because I'm lazy. But I started again, and it's good to have a place to train and to go outside when you're under quarantine. Fuck this quarantine, man. I don't like it. I mean, I'm only gaming and doing nothing with my life. I hate it! But now I started since this week. Double backflip? No way. Double full. Oh, what? I didn't expect that. Nice. Oh, good backflip technique. Whoa! Did you see this? Look at that. Oh, this is another one. And this is probably the first one. Whoa! Nice. Very clean. And this is clean as hell. Look at that. So nice, really. Okay. Now we are going to which one? We're going to this one. Superman, front flip Superman. What? This double front was so loose. Oh, you have a tower in this trampoline park, or what is it? Really, guys, my dream is to have a gym with trampoline park inside, with tricking floor, and with, I don't know, maybe calisthenic stuff for the guys who want to get in shape. Okay. Tumbling. Whoa, triple back. Man, you could have done quad back with this height and this speed. You're crazy. Nice, really. This is what I call creative combo. He even paused in the front flip. You see this? He paused in the... What? This dude is just next level creative. Look at that. He's pausing in the front flip. This one. Again. What the hell, man? Let's go. Do you have a tip to do double backflip? Where? On spring floor? Just have a good high backflip. Train it until your back. So 1.5. And then you feel if you're ready. If you're ready, then just break the mental block and go. Really easy. Just few steps. And how to break the mental block. If you want to become a good flipper, if you really want it, if you really want to do double backflip, then you do it. But make sure it is safe, it is good. Because now I wouldn't try triple backflip on spring floor because I have done it on tumbling floor. Because I will break myself. Alright. Okay, I'm refreshing. What's that? Part in the backyard. Bigger, better, stronger. Nice. Whoa, look at that backyard, guys. This is just crazy. Aiken Trampoline. Sponsor me. Aiken sponsor me. Or some other trampoline brand sponsor me, please. Oh, this backyard is the dream backyard under the quarantine time. You're crazy. Okay. We are... Okay. Half? Actually it was side flip and then 1/4. Full, front full. Alright. 1.5 front twist. Now it's coming double. I'm sure you're going for double. Yeah, nice. It wasn't fully rotated, but I count it. It's because you're from the Drift Power family. Guys, if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button to become a part of our awesome family. The most powerful family on YouTube, in the world, on Earth, maybe in the universe even. We are stronger like super science. Oh wow. Please do double. This will be so sick if you do double from there. So high and nice. Have you ever been in Romania? Just once, but on the airport. Alright, we are going here. Oh, this power! I like it. Good, very clean. Very clean. Okay. Oh, you're not... You're doing everything good except falling backwards. You're just jumping. But you have to... Before you jump, you have to lean backwards for better backhand spring. It will be much better. Much better. Very high back... Oh, standing full. Nice. You're doing it better than me. Definitely. Oh, good height. Nice, man. What is this? Are you going to solve it? While you're doing backflips? Okay. I'm saying you solve it while you're doing backflips. Oh, you're cheating with one jump. It will be so sick. Oh, front flips? It will be so sick if you solve it while you're doing backflips and front flips over and over again without the jump between them. Let's go. Are you going to solve it? You don't have time, man. Let's go. It's almost solved. Nice. It almost feels like I solved it. Not solved it, solved it. I'm getting too hyped, I cannot even speak. Oh wow, I've seen only Pasha the boss doing that, but this call was close. Look at that! Wow! So many crazy guys from the Dream of Power family. So many insane guys. Okay, what's that? Okay. This is probably now the perfect backyard. No, the other one was better, was bigger. This is so creative. Nice. I like it. Okay. Alright. Free running course. Good job. It's really nice. You keep training even though it's quarantine time. It's nice. Oh, we've seen that one in the last video, I remember. Let's go to the top. Almost to the top. I see this guy and I click. Easy. Alright. What was that? You ran so much for a wall flip. Just do it. Here, you see a wall? It's just next to you. It will be so much easier. Oh. We've seen that one. Whoa, you put so much effort in going down, man. Don't do it. Put it while you're going up. It's still nice though. I'm not saying it's not good. It's still nice. Is this double back? No. But good power, I see. I can smell the power. Even I can smell it. Whoa. You're doing all basics so good. This one too. Nice. We've seen that one. We haven't seen this one. Webster. When I see your power and technique, I'm sure you can do it better. But it's good. With the sunset or the sun, yeah, sunset. Diving. This is what I want to see. From 1 meter triple front. You mean the board is 1 meter, right? Because you're jumping at least 4 meters. At least 3 meters, okay. It's not 4. It's way too high. Okay, this is triple backflip 1 meter. Ah, I read it. Well, it's good. It's not an attempt. You did it. Oh, this is picture. Good picture. Now, actually, I cannot see you that much. I don't know if it is good picture. Okay. Nice. Front flip. Round off double triple backflip on grass. What? Parafuso or envergado? Actually, both of these, I don't know. I haven't tried them. Maybe it's combined. No, it's more parafuso, I would say. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Okay. We are reacting to this one! This one! Let's go, guys! Where is the hype? Double back, double front. Nice! Double back, double front with a half, and then Cody. This is crazy. Insane, guys. Thank you so much for uploading your videos here, and I hope to see you next week. Next week, Friday, I will react to your flips again, and this will be the live stream and the video for the next week. So if you want me to react to your flips, make sure you upload them Not on the same day, just before that, upload them with the hashtag DPFlips777. Okay? It's good.